Using multiple anchor repair methods together can significantly increase repair strength and long-term reliability when done correctly. Combining a mesh patch with a setting-type joint compound creates a reinforced bond because the mesh carries tensile loads while the compound fills voids and cures hard. So start by cleaning the hole, removing loose debris, and ensuring surrounding material is sound. For medium-sized holes, press a fiber mesh patch flush with the wall and apply a thin first coat of compound wet into the mesh, so the compound fully embeds the fibers. Then allow full cure before applying 2 feathered finish coats that are progressively thinner to minimize shrinkage and visible seams. When working with foam-based fillers, use them only for deep voids, as they provide bulk quickly but have low compressive strength and do not bond well to all substrates. And always trim cured foam back below surface level before overcoating. Read and follow product guidelines for compatibility, pot life, and recommended cure times, because some adhesives or compounds will not adhere to certain foams or plastics, and combining incompatible materials can cause adhesion failure. Use mechanical anchors or backing where possible for heavy loads rather than relying solely on compound and mesh. For example, install a backing plate or toggle bolt before finishing the patch. Finally, sand lightly between coats, use progressively finer grit, and prime the repaired area before painting to equalize porosity and improve paint adhesion. Common mistakes include using foam filler alone for load-bearing anchor repairs, which leads to failure because foam compresses and does not provide lateral shear capacity. So instead, use foam for void filling only and pair it with a mesh and compound or install a mechanical anchor. Another issue is applying too thick layers of compound which crack while drying. So apply thinner coats, allow full cure, and then build up as needed. A third problem is mixing incompatible products, which can prevent adhesion, so always check manufacturer compatibility notes and perform a small test patch when uncertain. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and share real project experiences so people can decide which combination repair strategies worked for others. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where tradespeople and homeowners exchange tips and ask specific questions.